Hi, I'm Brian Chandler with Remax Alliance in Parker, Colorado, and I received my books about 3 weeks ago. And I had an open house on a new listing I'd taken, and I went ahead and put a pile of these books there on the table, trying to impress people with my authorship. And before I left the house, for some reason, I thought, I'm going to take one of my divorce books and put that in my bag. And I kept it in my bag. And during the course of the open house, the next door neighbor came by and she said, I'm actually looking for a friend of mine who's going through a divorce. And I thought, wow, okay, I've got a book for her. So I went ahead and pulled this out and gave her the book. And she's like, wow, this is great. So she actually went ahead and talked to her friend, gave her friend the book, and her friend called me up and said, hey, you met my neighbor, Melissa, and she gave me your book. Thank you very much. I said, you're welcome. And she said, I'm trying to find a home because I am going through divorce. Wonder if you could help me try to find a new home. And I was like, absolutely. Well, if I knew that the books could work like that, I would have certainly started over a year ago when I first joined. So that's my story. And so these books go everywhere with me now, believe me.